4 класс, английский язык, Звездный английский. Домашнее задание, урок 6, часть 1, страница 14-15. English Starlight 4, homework, lesson number 6, part number 1, page number 14, 15. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. Nice to meet you. 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 I'm so glad to meet you. Thank you. I'm glad to meet you. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 14, 14. The stone flower, каменный цветок. Listen, point to the pictures and say the words village, craftsman, malachite, weak, cow. Послушай, укажи на картинки и проговори слова. Village, craftsman, malachite, weak, cow. Listen and read the story. This is a village in the Ural Mountains. A long time ago, Prokopich is a famous craftsman. He makes jewelry, and he is the best craftsman in the Urals. He uses malachite, a beautiful green stone, to make his jewelry. The people of the village want Prokopich to teach some of the village boys how to make jewelry, but none of them have the talent. I'm sorry, Prokopich says. I cannot teach these boys. They haven't got the talent. I need a boy who understands what beauty is. There is a young orphan boy, Danila, in the village. Danila is weak and can't walk like the other boys. Prokopich has no children of his own, so he takes Danila into his home. The answer. Послушай и прочитай историю. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 15, 15. Storyland. Exercise number 1. Read the story again and answer the questions. What is Prokopich? What is malachite? What do the village rules want Prokopich to do? Who does Prokopich take into his home? Прочитайте историю снова и ответьте на вопросы. Кем работает Прокопич? He is a craftsman. Что такое малахит? It's a beautiful green stone. Что хотят деревенские правители, чтобы сделал Прокопич? They want he to teach some of the village boys how to make jewelry. Кого берет Прокопич в свой дом? He takes Danila, a young orphan boy, into his house. Boys and girls, we must exercise number 2. Find words in the story that mean rings, watches, a person who makes things with his hands, a child who does not have a mother or a father, not strong, a special ability to do something. Найди слова в истории, которые означают jewelry, craftsman, often, weak, talent. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 3. Let's sing. Давайте споем. Dear Danila, he is growing every day. Now he is handsome, now he is tall. Now he isn't weak at all. Dear Danila, he is learning every day. Carve the stone, yes, that's the way. Carve the stone all through the day. Dear Danila, he is dreaming every day. Dreams about the plants and flowers, dreams and dreams for hours and hours. The answer. Давай споем. Boys and girls, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.